I'm Erin. I'm a producer for Nifty. I created this headboard actually for the Today Show. It was on a morning segment. They wanted something cool for a bedroom, and I thought, what would be a really fun way to make a piece of furniture that was beautiful but also functional? The construction of this headboard is really simple. It's essentially 2 vertical beams with a whole bunch of horizontal slats. It's a great project if you don't have power tools because you can ask a hardware store to cut the wood for you. I love the idea of making a headboard like this instead of buying it because you can customize it to your space. So often you have a bedroom or another space where you need a very specific size furniture to fit. By making this headboard instead of buying it, you're able to get the exact size that you need. This is also excellent if you don't have room for nightstands, because if you can't fit a lamp next to your bed, the lamp is literally a part of your bed. One of the great things about this project is that the boards that you use are really inexpensive. You start with them natural, they're unstained, untreated, and then you can customize it to make whatever sort of design or look that you want. So I used a really nice rustic dark walnut stain, but you could paint this with high gloss white paint and make a look that's a lot more modern. This headboard was a lot more rustic than other projects we've done at Nifty, but I do think there's a benefit of making a rustic farmhousey vibe when you're doing furniture on your own for the first time. The rustic farmhouse look sort of allows for a little bit of imperfection. It's okay if the stain is a little sloppy or the boards aren't 100% easy. If you say it's supposed to look rustic, you kind of have a little bit more wiggle room for it not being 100% perfect. Rustic headboards are something that I saw all over Pinterest. I recently traveled to a friend's house who lived in a very farmy area, so I think I was feeling the farmhouse vibe. But if your style is a lot more modern or colorful or sleek, you could definitely do the same project and just swap in a high gloss white paint or something else to give it a different look. I decided to use sconces because they looked beautiful, but they also diffuse the light really nicely. You could do something similar with a battery-operated light if you didn't want to actually install it or plug it into the wall. I liked doing something that could be plugged in. That way, if you have a light switch, you could just flick it on and off, and it's something that's really simple to do. If you're someone who's always dreamed about making your own furniture, this is a great project to start with. It's easy, it's fast, and the payoff is really beautiful.